Welcome back. Welcome back.
Welcome. So we have a great adventure because, as always, my friend Dixon came out to pick up, and Betty's also behind the camera. First trip for Betty in 𝗣𝗟𝗟𝗢𝗪.
Yes.
So Dixon, thank you so much, brother.
You're
So
welcome.
how life going?
Oh, it's been on and off.
It's been on and off.
Yes, but good so far.
Good so far, and I can tell the weather today is awesome.
Yes, it is hot, but it's awesome.
Supposedly to be raining a little bit.
We're not in the rainy season yet, but because of the heat,
Yeah.
we do have some rain on and off.
There you go.
Yes.
So remember the last time when I was here, Dixon said, Carlos, you have to try the best bakery in the whole island, and you're gonna try the 𝗣𝗟𝗪, ¿verdad?
The patio.
The 𝗣𝗣𝗪. And also
Yes.
Betty's gonna try it first time, and we're gonna drink some water and coffee. So stay tuned, because this new adventure is for a special home at the little 𝗣𝗟𝗟𝗢𝗪 next to a very famous hotel. So what this property comes with, what it looks like, what's asking price, you have to stay in the episode, because Dixon and I, we're gonna try the coffee and the 𝗣𝗣𝗪, and then we're gonna take the boat and go straight to little 𝗣𝗟𝗟𝗢𝗪, which is how many hours, how many minutes do you think it is? About 40 minutes?
Yes, about 40 minutes approximately.
Approximately. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to say hola to Betty, especially for the first trip here. And we're gonna enjoy the tropical and the Caribbean taste and the lifestyles. Let's go. Wow, so practically walking from 𝗣𝗪𝗪𝗢 to here, it's not even 3 or 4 minutes. It's just amazing. From there, you're gonna see different paths. One's gonna say straight to public beaches. Other one's gonna say go to the Hotel 𝗣𝗪𝗪𝗢, where we got lunch, actually a great lunch. I invited you to go and suggested to go. Excellent quality, amazing service. As you know, it's one of the most exclusive hotels you're gonna find in little 𝗣𝗟𝗟𝗢𝗪. Anyhow, close to here, you got 𝗣𝗪𝗪𝗢𝗪, walking, and then you can enjoy the beautiful water, and why not jump and swim a little bit. Today, the weather is amazing, it's perfect. It's not too windy, it's breezy, and the sun is just fine. Actually, the vibe, the tranquility, and the relaxing atmosphere is surrounding you. So guys, definitely, if you say, Carlos, my dream is have something at the Caribbean in a private, safety, awesome location, so quiet and a getaway, this could be one of those. So be aware of my website, my email, and my phone number, where you can contact me through WhatsApp or just send me a direct message by email, and I can explain to you step by step how you can come to here, reach out this place, and why not make up your mind, and probably can be your next destination home. Let's go. Okay guys, before to walk to the casa, the new listing that we're gonna show you today, that's a surprise. We are staying here at these cabins, just 5 minutes away, actually 3 minutes from 𝗣𝗪𝗪𝗢𝗪 Hotel, and actually 3 minutes from the home that is going to be in our listings very soon. Something you and I, we wanna go through is how you can get to the property. In little 𝗣𝗟𝗟𝗪𝗧, we don't have any car, no roads, only pathways. So you're gonna really be immersed into the forest, into the nature, a real deal. And that's something that little 𝗣𝗟𝗟𝗪𝗧 and 𝗣𝗟𝗟𝗪𝗧 definitely can offer to you. So walking all the way from the port to here, we walk about 35 minutes. And then from here, get another 3 more minutes and we get to the new listings that you are going to see exactly what it's all about. So thank you for watching this video. Let's go and learn how we can walk through the path in 𝗣𝗥𝗜𝗖𝗘 Island. Let's go. The house embraces an open concept layout. Immediately you can tell, you feel the breeze, and you notice the high ceilings with beautiful windows that allows natural light coming in. Something that is very important is this concept it allows you also to enjoy the breeze and enjoy the comfortability of the space. Something that also connects inside and outside the surrounding from the natural. I like when they design something like this because it feels like a natural and organic blends between dining, living, and of course the kitchen that you can see it has a nice, very room space. Something is important, space always make you feel comfortable and relaxed. Also the island, you look at this nice lawn, actually bar looks like an island, perfect to connect with both and beyond. The kitchen itself was built with this concrete concept, which is perfect because keep your maintenance process always low. Like life is here. Life always slows down in this beautiful island. And that's something that really track your attention and kept your energy slow motion. Something you can say, Carlos, that's exactly what I like these places is because you can just take that stress out. And we're gonna continue talking about that later. But in the meantime, check it out. The place is perfect because it was designed in the way that the high ceiling always keep the heat away and everything, especially the way they design the kitchen pieces, furniture, and everything fits perfectly here. And then they incorporate a little bit of color to contrast with these beautiful tiles, with this pattern. It's remind me the colonial style. Very, very convenient because it's not just one color, it's also something to contrast. Every piece of furniture is actually made of concrete, which always, like I said, keep the maintenance low. Enough room for everything you need, especially fridge and stove and everything else you need to fit in this room. Then wide open doors like this, also with these columns, converts the space more efficient and practical. Now, this first unit is actually designed for one full studio where you can tell also the dining and the living are sharing the space with these concrete benches. Cautious, very, very easy, practical because you don't need to worry about cleaning all the time. And this piece is perfect in the L shape, which has at the back a huge window that always catches the breeze and the flow goes in. That's perfect. Now, this massive, beautiful wall, it's for your TV set where you can see the connections are in place already. If you want to incorporate more rocking chairs or more sofa, perfect, you have enough room. Something also very interesting is the tiles with this monochrome color, gray, so it doesn't really hit your eyes when the lights come in. In the meantime, right now you can tell the breeze and the temperature and the atmosphere feels so calm. Another details on the corner, they decided to leave a hanging, rocking chair. In this case will be like a hammock. Very nice touch, beautiful doors designed, and something is how you can tell the view from here, from the outside, beautiful, natural trees, plantains, everything surrounding the homes to preserve that typical tropical sense and atmosphere. Now, going straight to the room, the only room we have here, it goes through this pathway. Come on, check this. Now we are in the one room here, which is basically a master room. It will continue exactly with the same concept, keeping the same atmosphere, you know, relaxing and comfortable and quiet sense. Definitely, you can tell it's a huge wide room, high ceiling, and something they decide to do is to do this concrete base for the mattress with a headboard. Perfect also if you want to put other stuff like light features or some pieces for decoration, but definitely this is something you would never worry about maintenance or deteriorations or rotting. Is already there. Huge windows here on the side to bring more breeze and light. Look at this nice piece. It's like a place for, you know, storage with the glass. That's very cool. And then the closet. People always ask me, Carlos, you did not show the closet. Where is the closet? Well, in this case, functionality is the practical word that we can use in this place, because everything is made up in the way that you don't need to worry about always repair stuff. It's done with the niches here and place to hang your clothes. Very good. Now the rooms share doors here that will walk you out to the outside, and this door is gonna take me to the master bathroom, which is also very good and very big, huge size. They have everything you need: a bathtub, a shower, sink, toilet, again a high ceiling. The high ceiling is something that really demands the space. That is definitely very smart. Remember, we are in an island, and so it's very important to preserve the sources: water, energy, everything. So that's why it's not very unlikely that you're gonna experience that during the day, especially after 6 o'clock in the morning to 6 p.m., pretty much they will cut off the electricity and reserve for the rest of the night. So during the night, you're gonna be okay, but during the day, you need to look some devices to keep energy to back up your phone or any other devices. For example, water pump systems. Can you bring solar panel to the island? Oh yes, definitely you can. I was talking to a local guy and I said, how do you deal with all the stuff you bring? Well, you hire a service through the boats and they're gonna bring it to you. You can do your shopping in the cities and then they can bring it to you, of course, for a specific fee, depends the weight and the quantity. They don't come that very fast, but you can count on it, so they're gonna bring it to you and continue doing. You can tell this home, for instance, is in the process that you can do some finishing at your styles. More details are gonna leave it to you at the description below. So let's continue looking, because the property definitely, I like it. I like the experience. It's amazing, the land that we have surrounded this beautiful property. So much room. How many square meter we're talking about? This is actually 2,000 square meter land, half of an acre. Something else people ask me, Carlos, how secure is the island? 100%. I can tell. Every visitor, either locals or international tourists, love it because of that. Secure, and because the lifestyle of the Caribbean. When you walk out from the main door, immediately you can see the beautiful and nice space terrace. With these columns, remind me a little bit of colonial style. You can see the outdoor furniture that's gonna share the view with this amazing panoramic from the land. And look how much room you have here to just sit in and enjoy the day. A huge platform of concrete is going around the main homes. And walking here, you're gonna connect to the back part of the property where the stairs gonna take me to another section at the second level that is designated for another unit similar like the main one at the first level. So actually, guys, you can continue building another room or another unit up above. Let's go and check it out how the view looks like upstairs. 2,000 square meter, half of an acre, is definitely a huge plus for this property because most of the customers love to enjoy it beside the home, also the landscaping. Some other wants to incorporate its personal taste or love to grow stuff, you know, like your own veggies, you know, vegetable, tomatoes, so many fruit trees like mangoes, which everywhere, plantain and citrus. So if you buy this beautiful property, you're not only buying a property itself, you're buying a lifestyle. Definitely very deeply Caribbean taste. That's something you can expect when you come to Little Corn Island. But in the meantime, check this, huge open land, and on the corner, you're gonna see the beautiful Casa Bella, or the beautiful home. But also I want you to see this. On the back here, you have the pagoda, where you can sit there and enjoy your breakfast in the morning, or just the breeze. And you have the pump pressure system, the tower, or in this case, the concrete form, a structure that support the water tank backup, which comes straight the water to the home. The city water, as I told you, is provided by the island. So look, so much space. And the other part also is important to remark. You are buying a clear title property, exactly a freehold title. So when you say you're buying a property, it's yours. You don't have to be resident. We've been talking about that before, but I like to remark it because always people say, Carlos, can I really buy a property? Yes, you can. Clear title, taxes, survey, everything that it needs to compose the file and the legal elements to you to say, yes, Carlos, I can go for it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm so grateful to be here in this amazing place called Little Corn Island, in this hidden piece of paradise at the Caribbean. Definitely, if you'll be looking and say, Carlos, that's my dream. I want to have a beautiful home, half of an acre, definitely walking distance to the beach, and a getaway location. This is it. Remember, we're going to have this property in all the social media. And here you are, my telephone number, WhatsApp, and my email, and we can connect and I can tell you exactly what you need to know about this new listing and how you can buy it. And remember to subscribe, give me those likes, because I want to see you at the next adventure.